In 1828, a teenage boy appeared out of nowhere on the streets of Nuremberg. He could barely walk, he could barely speak, and he was clutching a letter. His name, he eventually managed to say, was Kaspar Hauser. He claimed he had spent his entire life locked in a dark cell so small he could never stand up. No sunlight, no human contact, just darkness. Physicians examined him. They couldn't explain his condition. His legs moved like someone who had never used them properly. His eyes were painfully sensitive to light. Some believed him completely. Others called him a fraud. A few believed he was a royal heir being kept from a throne. The city of Nuremberg took him in. He slowly learned to speak, to write, to live. Then, 5 years later, someone stabbed him. He died 3 days after the attack. No one was ever convicted. No motive was ever proven. His origins were never confirmed. Kaspar Hauser arrived from nowhere and returned to nowhere. And to this day, no one knows who he really was.